Welcome to the Climate and Water Outlook for winter. 2020 has had a wetter start than recent years, and the June to August outlook suggests more rain to come, with good river flows expected into southeastern water storages. But first, let's look at recent conditions. Autumn temperatures were generally warmer than average for the north and the west, but more cloud and wetter soils meant southeast Australia was cooler than average. But for May, temperatures were notably cooler than average for much of Australia. May 22nd was the coldest May day for Australia since 2004, while May 23rd was the coldest May day on record for Queensland. The same week saw a deep low pressure system batter parts of the West Australian coast. Strong winds brought inland dust to the ocean, reducing visibility below 500 metres in Geraldton. The highest rainfall totals were between 50 and 80 millimetres. Despite this rainfall, Western Australia recorded below average autumn rainfall overall. In contrast, inland southeast Australia and Tasmania had above average autumn rains. Soil moisture reflects this rainfall pattern, with soils being relatively dry in the west but wetter than average in the southeast. This has provided a great start to the southeast crop and pasture growing season. This improved soil moisture and stream flows mean water storage levels in southeastern Australia are generally higher than they were 12 months ago. However, storages in the southwest coast are yet to see an increase, and together with those in the north, are lower than they were at this time last year. Rainfall in 2020 has helped ease drought conditions in many, but not all, drought-affected areas. Several seasons of above average rainfall would still be needed to fully replenish water storages. So what will influence our climate in the coming months? Warmer than average waters in the eastern Indian Ocean are providing extra moisture to weather systems as they sweep across the country. Models suggest this pattern will continue, with a chance of a negative Indian Ocean dipole developing during winter. To the east of Australia, warmer waters off Papua New Guinea also mean Pacific weather patterns are favourable for rainfall near Australia. Some models suggest this pattern could strengthen, becoming more La Nina-like in the spring. The winter outlook suggests above average rainfall for much of the country. However, several key coastal areas and Tasmania have a more neutral winter outlook. The streamflow outlook for May to July suggests even numbers of low, near median and high flows across the country overall. However, locations expected to have high flows are nearly all located in the southeast of the country. Normal flows are forecast for sites with historical low flows at this time of year, where the chance of high, near median or low flows are similar. Winter temperatures are likely to remain warmer than average for northern and eastern coastal parts of the country. Elsewhere, more cloud and wetter soils will mean cooler than average days but warmer nights. Warmer than average nights also means overall frost risk is reduced. So in summary, winter 2020 is likely to see above average rainfall, warmer than average days across northern Australia and down the east coast, lower frost risk than in recent years, and medium to high stream flows in southeast Australia. Thanks for joining us. You can find out more about the outlooks on our website. We'll see you next time.